What's going on, guys? It's me, Kevin, aka Fit Man Cook, and today in the Fueling Gainz kitchen, we are making a naked egg breakfast burrito so we can start every morning off chasing those gains. Let's get to it. Grate red potato into a bowl and squeeze out the excess moisture. This helps to get them crispy in the pan. Set a non-stick skillet on medium heat and add olive oil. Once it's hot, toss in the potato. Add a pinch of sea salt and pepper and cook until the potatoes are brown with crispy edges. To egg whites, add a pinch of garlic and pepper and mix. Spray a non-stick skillet with olive oil and add in the egg whites. Cover until it's cooked through about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the egg white to a plate and allow it to slightly cool down. To the egg burrito base, you're going to add the potato, mashed avocado, cheddar cheese, green onion, chopped spinach, and a little hot sauce. Check out these macros. This has been Fueling Gainz with Bodybuilding.com. Remember to come back next week because we are keeping it healthy but never boring. Boom!
Looks good, bro.
This is one serving, guys. Get in more hot sauce. Yo, man. Yo. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you smash that like button below and ring that bell to be notified for more tasty content.